What's up YouTube? In this video, we're going to be unboxing a mystery box that I got from Thrive Exchange. It's a resale boutique that sells streetwear and vintage based out of Boston. They had posted these on their website for $300 for the mystery box. There was a coupon code on the website at the time being, so I got a half off for $150. They weren't taking any sizes or anything, but you could comment like what sizes you wanted for like shirts, jackets, sneakers, and whatnot. But no sizes or anything was guaranteed. So like I said, $150 mystery box. Let's jump into it. Here it is, 10 pounds and 11 ounces of some gas. Let's hope. On the side, Thrive. Shout out Thrive Exchange for this. All right, I'm gonna place it down in front of me. All right, first piece, got this vintage, everything Coca-Cola, vintage Coca-Cola polo, rugby, purple. It's pretty clean, size large. Got a little bit of bleaching from the purple into the white area, but all in all, it's pretty clean. Looks like it's, pretty good shape. That's not bad for a first piece, vintage Coca-Cola. Next up, got this vintage NASCAR all over print from 2000 New Hampshire Speedway. Size XL on Chase Authentic, all over print, front and back. It's pretty clean. Looks like it runs really big though, because for an XLT it looks rather large. Next up, oh, this is pretty cool. It looks like a custom tie-dye Nike turtleneck, long sleeve, size medium. It looks like custom tie-dye. I think this is probably just a plain piece at first. Early 2000s Nike tag on the silver tag. Not much else to say about that. Pretty plain. Next up, another Nike tee. This one's a short sleeve. It looks like another custom tie-dye piece. Nike swoosh on the front, all over tie-dye print. This is on another early 2000s white Nike tag, size XL. Tuned air with the Nike swoosh centered on the back. Size XL, if I didn't say that already. Next piece, we got this, feels paper thin, Ocean Pacific, single stitched, I'm gonna say vintage 90s tee. All over print, surfer on the front, same print on the back, Ocean Pacific spell out across the mid piece, vintage OP tag, no size on it, it's all worn out, but this shirt is vintage, paper thin, like I said, single stitch. Next t-shirt we got, New England Patriots, 1994 on a Artex sportwear shirt, graphic on the front, size large, plain back print. It's kind of cracked, probably not worth that much, maybe like a $10 tee at most, but it's pretty clean, I guess, being from New England. Next piece we got USA Olympics t-shirt. This one is single stitch, size large on the Hanes heavyweight tag, Olympics crest on the front with the USA, all over tie-dye print, plain back. That's a pretty clean summer tee for an essential, size large. All right, now I think we're getting into some of the goodies. That might have been some of the filler stuff, but now I'm starting to see some gas. All right, vintage New England Patriots sports specialties splash. Logo athletic on the side, Proline authentic on the back, splash. Little bit of yellowing on the inside. But it's pretty clean. I think I have like 2 or 3 of these, but this hat's clean. This is probably easily a $20 or $30 hat. Just needs a little bit of reshaping. It's a little bit pancaked, but other than that, super clean. I'm gonna save these for last. Let's hop into this. We got a jersey, Lakers, Kobe Bryant, number 8 on the Reebok NBA merchandise, size extra large, length +2. This is completely clean, flawless, no stains, no pulls, no nothing. This is sweet. I know with the passing of Kobe, all his merch has gone up crazy, so that piece is probably sought after a little bit more now. All right, we'll hop into these. So, surprised to get shoes in the mystery box. I definitely was not expecting that. But we have some Wheat Air Force One mids, size 10.5. Pretty clean. A little bit of dirt on the toe box there. Kind of dirty bottoms, but all in all, pretty good shape. My size too, so that's pretty fire. Next up, got some streetwear. This is kind of sick. An FTP construction or crossing guard vest. 3M striping across and from the shoulder. I think these are like one size fits most. Yeah, large XL, but FTP 3M. That's pretty sick. And I think we're getting to the bottom of the box. This looks like the last piece right here. We have Supreme classic logo crew neck in green. It's got kind of an ombre fade to it. You got light green up at the top, goes down to a darker green at the bottom. This is Supreme size large. Tags on the inside look pretty good. Supreme New York, 100% cotton. Yeah, this is pretty clean. No stains on this either. That's pretty sweet. So that concludes basically everything I got in the box. $150, like I said, which I think I made that money back easily. The Supreme crew neck I think could be a $100 piece all day. And I know these aren't hyped up that much anymore, but when these were popping, these were going for $100 easy. So I'd say it was easy money to be made on that box. So once again, shout out to Thrive Exchange for posting those mystery boxes. I'll be sure to cop another one in the future. And thanks for watching. Peace.